Hello guys, Peter Mbiria here. Now, this is W124 that came with the carburetor right here. And it's been converted now to run on Voltarent EFI system. This is just the very first setup. No tuning done. So this is just laying the harness, making sure everything is fine. And then there's how it starts. So I'll just connect this one here. Okay, it's connected. Start. Yes, the machine is alive, very much alive. Maintains the idle pretty well. Very, very well. Of course, there's no air cleaner. Part of the wiring needs to go inside the vehicle, inside the cabin. But yes, it runs. The accelerator. No tuning yet. Just imagine. Alright, gentlemen, watch for more. Thank you.